right? Okay. Now see, one single line, many points are there, alright? So all these points are solution, and two line and intersecting, and it see, this is two line, but it is intersecting also, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is intersecting also, and if it is intersecting, it is one point common. There is one point which lies on both the line, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
it has one solution. But sometimes it can happen like there are two lines, but it is not meeting. It means no point of intersection. Means there is no point which is satisfying both the equation. It means no solution, right? Zero solution.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now in term of equation, for example, I'm saying I bought one pen and one pencil of rupees 100 rupees. Now I'm saying I bought one pen and one pencil of rupees 300 rupees. So you will say it is not possible that one time you are giving 100 rupees and the other time you are getting 300 rupees. Means
Yes.
it is not the same thing, no? Means the pencil are not the same, right?
Yes.
So that is the scenario in which it is not possible. And one more scenario I'm giving, pen and pencil cost is 100 rupees. Then I'm
So, ma'am,
saying
this
two
will
pen,
be
two,
infinity.
then what?
Ma'am, so this will be infinity because there is only one line.
Yes. So for example, I'm saying I bought one pen, one pencil, 100 rupees. Then I'm saying I bought two pen and two pencil, 200 rupees. You will say the thing is same only. You're not giving any extra information, right?
Yes, ma'am.
The thing is same means the line are same. The equation is same. It lies on each other, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
it now it will have again infinitely many solution because it is single line only, and single line has infinitely many solution. No, this is your chapter basically. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
this is the main thing in your chapter. If two line intersecting, one solution. If two line parallel, no solution because they are not meeting at all, no point of intersection. And here all the points are intersection also, coincident line we can say. So all the points are solution only. Now see, again listen. You know very well that the general form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, right?
Yes, yes,
Now
ma'am.
you're dealing with pair of linear equation now, right?
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
If you're dealing with pair of linear equations, so we have to write like a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So there were three things, right? One was point of intersection, the other was parallel line, and the other was third was the same line, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in this case, a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, and c1 upon c2 will satisfy some condition. Here a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, and c1 upon c2 will satisfy the other condition. And here a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, and c1 upon c2 will satisfy the other condition. So these are the things you need to learn. What are the conditions? Like without drawing the graph, you can tell these two lines are intersecting, parallel, or coincident. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm telling you the formula here. So if the line are intersecting, it will not be equal. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
And we need not to check it, right? If the
Yes.
line is parallel, these are equal. Uh, and this is not equal. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
First is equal, the other is not equal.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
if coincident, all three are equal because basically I told you now we are multiplying a same number, x
Yes,
plus y
ma'am.
is equal to
Yes.
100. So 2x plus 2y is 200. So everything is equal now, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So remembering this is easy, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Remembering this is easy. Okay.
Yes.
How to remember this now? Intersecting. The first is intersecting, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Parallel. The first is parallel, not intersecting.
Yes,
This is
ma'am.
how you can remember, right?
So, ma'am.
This is the main formula point of your chapter. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
There will be two linear equation. There will be different coefficient. We will say a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2. And if we will find the ratio of the coefficient, you understood now what we are doing?
Yes, ma'am.
We are finding the ratio of the coefficient, right?
Yes, ma'am.
The ratio of the coefficients will have these conditions. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
These conditions will be there. So without drawing the graph, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Without drawing the graph, we will be able to tell the lines are parallel, intersecting, or coincident. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Now solution of linear in two variable. So how many solutions will be there? In case of parallel, see, if we have one solution, there will be infinitely many, right? I
Yes,
told you this thing. So if we have linear, then every point is a solution, correct?
yes, ma'am.
And if we have simultaneously, means together we have two lines, pair of linear equation, right?
Yes,
So the solution are those points which lies on both the line. Understood?
yes, ma'am.
So parallel line has no solution because nothing is common.
Yes, ma'am.
Intersecting line has one solution,
Yes, ma'am.
and
Answer.
coincident line has no
Infinite.
infinitely many solution. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the question